Hey sir, hope this video finds you well. For task 1, you had me download two packages and then run this diff command to compare the two. To summarize, the first file had one line removed, one line updated, and one new line added in the second file. To break it down, this first bit, 36D35, simply means that in the first file, line 36 was deleted to match line 35 in the second file. And then this symbol here shows the line from the first file that was missing in the second, which is this line right here. Moving on, 67C66 means line 67 in the first file was changed compared to line 66 in the second file. And then the symbol here is just showing the old line, normalized CSS 7.00. And then this file, or this symbol here is showing the new line. And then finally, the 134A, 134 means a new line was added in the second file. And then that's why we see this line here. And yeah, that covers it. Oops, awesome. And then for task 2, you had me write a shell bash script to essentially, when prompted, copy specified text file. So here I will use chmod plus x multicopy.sh, which is located in my documents directory, and this command will simply just make it so the multi-copy bash script can be executable. I'll run that, and then if we run a list again, then we can see that it's green, which means it can be ran. Alright, perfect. And then, so just to demonstrate what is in my task 2, or we could have done cat task 2 text. I guess they do the same thing. Or no, echo. That's not right. Alright, anyways. Cat task 2, we can see the contents of the text file. And then if we run bash multicopy.sh and then create, first we got to select the file that we want to copy, task2.txt, and then we'll make a copy 1, copy 2, and then a copy 3 of the copying of the task 2 text file. So here we are, and then it will make it in the same directory. Boom, copy 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll do cats. Oops, go away. Cat copy. Let's just, for Pete's sake, copy 2. Awesome, and then we can see here, hello from task 2. And then let's just quickly go into my multicopy.sh to see, I spelled that wrong. Just see break down what the script does. So essentially, the number and the dollar amount is just selecting which argument it is communicating with. So source code 1, that would be referring to the task2.txt script, and then this copy source of 2 second argument, which is the copy 1, copy 2, and copy 3. Yeah, and that's just how it works, and that's the end of task 2. Alright, now we're on to task 3. I'm going to be demoing my cat file Hold on, yes, perfect. Here we have the multicat file. Let's take a look inside. Cat. Boom. Perfect. Now in the script, it is checking if cat file is set. So we'll test that out in a moment, and if not, it's just an error. But if it is set, then it will create a temporary multicat file to essentially store and concatenate all the selected text files that I would like to compile and save into its new file. Awesome. Let's just exit out of there, and then I created 3 text files called A, B, and C. Let's just check what's in each of these. C.text. Awesome. So we have this information in all the text files. Now, let's test it out without setting the cat file. Let's do and then b.text. Boom, I get the error message, must be set to a file name. But if I do export cat file equals cat to this endpoint, perfect, then we can try it out, and let's just throw C in there, file, boom, and then we can list it out and see it created a cat.text file. Let's do cat.text, and then we can see it stored all the data from each text file. Thank you.